Good morning, happy Monday, and I'm Paul Jolley. I'm here from Cooka Technology, and we are a microelectronic manufacturer, and we specialize in variable resistors, potentiometers, pots, faders, whatever you want to call them. And today we are highlighting 4 different products, which are the faders. These are used in lighting controls, music controls, and different things like this. So what's different about Cooka Technology is we have developed the thick film paste, which looks something like this. This is a thick film paste, and it's a non-wear material, which means it will not wear, which obviously will add life to the product and everything. So